And all of this as North is ready to launch a nuclear test at its Punggye-Ri nuclear test site. The 38 North Monitoring Group reported on Wednesday. Here's a videographic report explaining how underground nuclear tests are carried out.
Underground nuclear tests are carried out deep below the Earth's surface to prevent the release of radioactive material into the atmosphere. The test site is chosen carefully according to its location and geological structure. Testing generally involves drilling a vertical hole 200 to 800 meters deep and 1 to 3 meters wide. The nuclear device is assembled and placed into a container. This is then lowered into the hole until it reaches the detonation position. The hole is sealed off with layers of filling materials such as sand, gypsum and coal tar. Monitoring equipment protected in a lead-lined canister is placed into a chamber above. Throughout the experiment, data is collected to check radiological and seismic activity. The nuclear weapon is then detonated remotely. The explosion generates huge amounts of energy, sending out seismic shockwaves. The intense heat and pressure created melt the device and surrounding rocks, which then evaporate. Immediately after the explosion, a cavity is formed, and as the hot gases cool, a pool of molten rock forms. Temperature and pressure levels continue to fall until eventually the cavity roof caves in, forming at least one crater at the surface. Once the cavity is cool enough, a hole can be drilled and samples retrieved from the point of explosion.